Wow, look at that. Isn't that big? Isn't that pretty? What a pretty tree. Let's have a look at it. This is probably my favorite tree out here, at least on this trail. Way through. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Leaf in the way, leaf in the way. Ooh, dang it. Ouch. A little splinter. Oh, there's my bag. Ouch. Ow. It's a good tree. Good tree. Oh, a little bit of poop. That's okay. A little bit of poop on a tree never hurt anybody. Oh wow, spider webs. Look at that. Let me see if I can set this up so you guys can see. Yeah, there we go. Wow, can you guys see these spider webs? Think about all the things that these might have caught, you know, sort of throughout the... Oh! Oh, no, no. Ouch. Bad. Alright, look at this. A little clearing. Wow. Cool. I don't know if you guys can catch all those birds chirping, but it is beautiful out here. And that's what Vick's Vlogs is all about, capturing the beauty. Capturing the beauty. Maybe bring some beauty home one of these days. To meet Mama. Bring beauty home to meet Mama. Let's see, what do we got out here? Let me just set this up. Oh, these are very pretty ferns. Wow, look at those pretty ferns. Let me see if I can get a shot set up here. So I can get me in the frame. There we go. Set you guys down. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Am I rolling? Is it on? Yeah. Okay. It looks like it's on. It's on. Okay. Okay, we're rolling. We are rolling. Out here. So this is a Washingtonian green fern right here. These are all over the place. You can't. I'm too small. I feel like I'm too small if I do that. So let me just adjust it and zoom it more in. More in. Yeah, there we go. That's better. This is the Washingtonian green fern. They're very common. Is the audio work? Test. Test the audio. Test the audio. Audio, audio, audio. Test, test. My belly button brings home bacon. My belly button brings home bacon. Fry it. Sizzle. Sizzle bacon. Belly button bacon. Okay. It's working, I guess. Okay. My belly button brings home bacon. Okay, that's working. Belly button. Oh. Okay, this is the Washingtonian green fern. There's lots of these around here. They're green on the back and green on the top. So that's a fern. And they're very beautiful, luscious this time of year. I hurt my shin. I hurt my shin earlier. Nature will get you. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Oh wow, berries. Hey, berries. Oh yeah. Great. This is a pear tree too, so we're gonna get some pear berries. Hang on one second. A pear berry for the Care Berry. I'm not really a Care Bear, but you know. You know what I mean. Zoom out here. Okay, you guys can see that pretty good. Great. Okay, can you... Look at that. Look at this little guy. So this came off a pear tree. And when you're out in the field, you get to recognize a lot of the foliage, and there's a lot of mosquitoes around here. Ugh. But this is a pear berry, comes off a pear tree, very early. It's like spicy. Must not have been a mature berry. Oh boy. Anyway, did you guys see that one? I hope that caught on tape. Anyway, thanks for watching Vick's Vlogs. I'll see you next time.